खुश रहो बेटी। I JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will discuss about string in PHP. So strings are variable that holds text. For example, a string which contains a name is defined as follows. You have to write dollar name is equal to John. It's always in double quotes and print the name with the keyword echo. So we can easily format a string using variables. For example, dollar name is equal to John and introduction hello name echo, and print the introduction, then the output will be hello. We can also concatenate strings using the dot operator. For example, first name is John and last name is Doe. The name is equal to first name dot and give the some space with the help of double quotes and the last name, and then print the name. The result would be the John Doe. To measure the length of a string, we use the strlen function. So if we have if we want to measure the length of the string, then you have to write the keyword strlen. So string is the length of the string is the 43 characters. So echo strlen is a dollar string. To cut a part of a string and return it as a new string, we can use the subset function. So file name is equal to image.png and extension is equal to substr file name strlen file name -3 echo the extension of the file is extension. Joining and splitting, we can join arrays to form a string or split a string to array of strings. For example, to split a string with a list of fruits separated by a comma, we use explode function. That means for joining and splitting, use the keyword explode function and separate each of the list by comma. So fruits is equal to apple, banana, orange, and fruit list is explode comma fruits, and then print the echo. The second fruit in the list is a fruit list 1. So it prints the value of one index, which is banana. To join back an array to a single string separated with commas, we use the implode function. Okay, so for joining the separated string with commas using implode function. So fruit list is equal to apple, banana, orange, and fruit implode is equal to fruit lists, and print the echo. The fruits are dollar fruits. Right. So this is all about this session. Thank you, class. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you, class.